Hello everybody, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Nakie and this is Cook with Nakie. Today we're making this refreshing drink. Ghanaians call it Sobolo, Caribbeans call it Sorrel. Let's get started. This drink is made from hibiscus flower. This is how it looks like. You could get this in most store, in the African store, Caribbean store, Asian store. Yeah, so check in your local store to see if they have it. I'm using ginger, cloves, black pepper. I'm using the whole ones, and my fresh pineapple. So I'm gonna blend the pineapple, the ginger, the cloves, and the black peppercorns together. I love my sobolo with some kick to it. That's why I'm using all these natural spices, especially the cloves. It gives it that spiciness, and I love the aroma that comes out. But if you don't have to use it. And this is how I make it. So yeah, if you love black peppercorns and cloves, yeah, follow this recipe, and you will love it. I added a little bit water to the blender to make it easier to blend because I needed some juice to from it. So not too much water, just a little bit. And that's it. So I'm using my cheesecloth right here. I'm gonna strain it. If you have any fine strainer, just go ahead and use it. But the cheesecloth is the safest for me. It's really strained the way I want it to strain. I don't get any like chaff in it. Yeah, so go ahead and use any fine strainer that you have. And there goes my blended pineapple, ginger, cloves, and black peppercorn. You could go ahead and drink this right away. This is really some good stuff right there. Add some sweetener to it and you are good to go. But I'm making cereal and I'm going to add this later on. So I put that on the side. Now let's get to our hibiscus flower. So in the pot, I put in my washed hibiscus flower. I only wash it with cold water because if you wash it with hot water, the reddish color is gonna like come off right away. So just wash it with some cold water and quickly put it in the pot. Okay, you don't want to lose all that colors. And I add some water to it, and I'm gonna cook this for about 20 minutes. In about 20 minutes, this is how it looks. And look at the color. Look how bright red it looks. Yeah, hibiscus flower has some medicinal purpose. You could Google it and check it out. Also, if you're not sure if you have to drink this, you want to check with your doctor before you consume things like this, okay? I just Googled it and I know it has some medicinal purpose. I was just drinking it for refreshing sake, okay? So, but I know it has some medicinal purpose too, all right? But before anything, if you're not sure, just check with your doctor before you drink it. So I let my hibiscus juice cool down a little bit before I start to strain it. All right, I didn't want to strain it while it was hot. I let it cool down before. So I added some more water to the leaves. I could tell there was more color that need to come out. So I added some water to it. I strained it to get all that juice out from the flour. And this is our so below our sorrel, but it's not done yet. I need to add my juice to it. That is my pineapple, ginger, cloves, and a black pepper to it. And look at that. I love the smell that was coming out right now. The flavor from the pineapple, the ginger. It was so good. And I'm adding my sweetener to it, and I'm using sugar. You could use any sweetener of your choice, but mainly we use sugar in our sobolo. But hey, whatever you prefer, just add it to it, and that's it. Our sobolo is almost done, but not yet. And I'm gonna be adding this pineapple flavor to this sobolo or sorrel. It is so good. The smell, it was so good. Not too much. a drop. This is like 2-3 drops. That's it. It brings that Sobolo or your Sorrel to a different flavor. It smells so good and makes the Sobolo taste really good. So yeah, if you haven't tried that before, please give it a try, especially when you use pineapple in your Sobolo or your Sorrel drink. It's time to enjoy our drink, but one more thing. I'm gonna be adding sparkling water to it. Adding sparkling water to your Sobolo gives it that refreshing taste. Oh my god, if you haven't tried this, please do. You will love it. It has that fizziness to it. So when you add your sparkling water to it everything, especially when you're thirsty or you want something so refreshing to drink and you add sparkling water to this delicious drink, healthy drink, you will love it. Really good. And our soup below our Sorrel drink, it is ready. Easy to make, healthy drink, and so refreshing. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give this recipe a try and I know you will love it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. Until I come your way next time, please subscribe to the channel. This is Cook with Nakie. Be good to yourself. Be good to everybody. Goes a long way.